This is just going to be a short video tutorial on how to use Smart Notebook to create manipulatives and other items for Lumio. Let's go ahead and get started. First thing you need to do is, of course, open Smart Notebook, and then the next thing you're going to do is open your capture. The reason that I choose to use Smart Notebook's capture is simple. That anything that you capture using this, it will automatically import it into Smart Notebook. If you use Snippet or any other that's out there, you have extra steps you would have to go through to get it there. This is just the easiest way to do it. So let's get started. We're going to go out on the internet and we're going to pretend that I am looking for manipulatives to create a lesson on money, U.S. coinage in particular. So let's go click on About the Mint. Scroll down and you will see a list of the circulating coins of the United States. To do this, simply pick on the coin that you need. I'm going to go with pennies first. Bring up your capture. This is going to pop up. You have a choice of send to the current page in Notebook that you have open. That is the best way to do this. You also have some other options if you click on this, where you can send to a new page in Notebook, save it to your desktop, save to a location on your computer, or put this on a clipboard to paste later. I'm just going to take it and go back with using send to the current page. Easiest way to do this. So you've got your first picture, and we'll do the obverse. Send it. We're going to go back to our coins. We're going to grab the nickel to this also and add the nickel to this. And get the other side and send that. Once you've got all the coins that you need, simply go back to Notebook. You will find all of your coins in this case, or they're now objects in Notebook, placed into the right hand corner side of your page. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to change these from a JPEG to a GIF. If I put this up here, you can see how it shows the white from the capture. Well, we don't want that. That makes it hard to use when you put this into Lumio. And also this helps clean it up and make it look more professional and better. So click on the coin, go to your drop down, set image transparency, click on that, tell it OK. Repeat that for all of your coins. And once you have done that, you will see that you no longer have that white around it and everything looks nice and tidy. At this point, you can resize everything. This also, changing that over can help you resize, because students recognize coins by size, and you want to keep that same thing going in 2 dimensions that they would have in 3 in real life. Okay, once you've got your coins adjusted and ready, simply come up and save your file. I'm going to do save as so I can direct it where I want it. In this case, I'm going to go to my documents and I'm going to call this coins. Okay, that's safe. The next thing you'll want to do is you're going to want to go open Lumio. In my case, I'm going to go through my Google Drive to get there. This could work the same if you're using Microsoft also. Just a different look, maybe an extra step or two, but it will all be very similar. You can either click on New or right click on the Open. Go to More, choose Lumio, and now we'll open the Lumio file. Okay, Lumio is now open. So we're going to import in that file. By clicking on Import, go to My Computer, choose Documents, come down, find Coins, until it opens. Okay, it's importing the file in now. When it comes up, if you had more than one page of these that you were working on, you can import all those in by going in and putting a check mark in the box. I just have the one, so that's all we need to worry about. Click on Add, and it is now a Lumio file. And as you can see, it still holds up as keeping in everything as a PNG. It doesn't revert or anything. Now that you have those, the next thing you'd want to do is start building your lesson. So to do that, we're going to go in, we're going to add a new page. And as you can see, there are lots of pages that Lumio has for its templates that you can use. They have a template for nearly every situation and holiday at this point, and they're constantly adding more. I am going to choose to go with my favorite, which is the comic monster. And I'm going to skip adding a header and building like the actual page that you'd start with for building a lesson, and we'll go straight into a page just so you can see how you bring your coins in. I'm going to go to a content page. Tell it to add that. We've added the content page. First thing I want to do is get rid of all the text right now. Then I want to bring the coins in from the other page. And I did my selection by holding down Control and clicking on each item. Now we'll hit Control C to copy and Control V to paste. Everything is imported in. Now you can resize as needed. Okay, and that is how you bring your images in. This works with no matter what image you want. One thing I will tell you is that if you are copying from a site, this is just a matter of understanding the law, is that in education you have 1 year you can use these without having to recreate it. Simple thing about using and staying right with your copyrights when you do this. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you and have a wonderful day.